Good team basketball fans, ito po muli isang kabarang-palabig na laro ngayon. First game tonight, Basketball Action Night, PSV Basketball League, featured teams of Austin clad in yellow, Lakers motif versus Pinks clad in black and yellow combination. Pwede po ako po sa Armin G Vlogs with you, and I will deliver na blow by blow account po sa larong po ito between Spinks and Austin. It's game night tonight, live from Perling Season International Swim, and this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Thank you po. Okay, go. Go na. Okay, again, welcome po rin sa gabi ito. This is your first game for tonight between Spinks and Austin Basketball Team. Ito na po tayo mga kababayan ko, ito na. Hindi pa rin, ito na pa rin. Okay, one by Spinks. Natividad. Number 17. Natividad again. Number 17, pass to De Leon. Ambani. Nope. One more time. Palpal ni number 6. Nice defense kagad ng binanata ni number 6 over De Leon. Ayos naman. Malino siya.
Okay.
Okay, 3 points made by Algabre, the A-man. Algabre, 3 points po. Ito na po. On the po, Austin number 16 to Rabaco. Binawi kagad ni Rabaco. Okay, Tuambani yun. Sambani po may tahan ng bola. Again, Tuambani. Natividad. Eto na. Tuambani muli. Natividad. Dumlag drive. And it's a foul called. Sa baba lang daw, sabi ng referee. It's in the downside. Sabi ng puting referee po. Number 29, Rabaco called for the foul. Ambani for the inbound. To Algabre again. No! Masyado malakas yun. Okay, now to number 2. Number 15. No! Villanueva, 17. For the rebound. Lost the ball almost. Still completed. Number 0. Disho pass to number 6. Number 6, shortstop. Nope. Nandun si Natividad. Natividad clear the boards. And now to Ambani. Ambani driving, dictating traffic. Ambani, Natividad. Villanueva. Nag-shot siya. No, it's a foul called by Hans. Okay, meeting muna mga referee. Nagkaroon po ng konting conflict. Oo, teka. Okay, reprimating and it's a traveling violation. Call overruled. Traveling violation. Okay, balik muli tayo ngayon. Number 0. Stepping in. Number 6. Kailangan pasok bola. Pasok ang bola kay number 6 ng Austin. Ambani now. The score is 5-3. 5-3 already. Algabre. Nope. Nothing for the rebound. Same ball. Same ball daw po tayo. Same ball. Algabre. Kinaliwa pa. No. Ayun, sayang. Sabi ni De Leon. Okay, ito na po, number 16, Morocco. Bokoro rather. Number 6 again. 2 points. Okay, the score is 7-3. A 4-point lead already been posted by Austin team. Ambani, traffic to Algabre, to Ambani again. Ambani to Villanueva. Ambani to Villanueva to Algabre. Algabre, nagdi-dribble to Ambani. De Leon, power move, malakas. Nakuha ni Zidane. One more time. Algabre to Ambani. De Leon. Good ball. One more time. It's a foul called. It's a foul called. De Leon shooting for 2. Ay, nandiyan pa yung mga sponsor ko. Okay lang? Okay, pasensya ba? Meron tayong konting technical difficulties lang po. And, masyadong zoom natin. Okay, the score is 9-4 po. 9-4, 5 minutes, 41 remaining. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. 2 points made by Villanueva. 9-6. Lamang na po ng 3. Okay na. Okay, Mokoro to number 0. Pops up for 3. No. Nakal siya. Yun. O, nakahawang. Ayan, isa. Slow connection. Okay, game. Direct na ito, di ba? Okay, second 5 din po tayo yan, ha? Second 5 down. Entered by Mansueto, Bongolo, and Company versus number 13, number 29, and Kiambao and Company po. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Tackle lang po tayo, ha? Austin and Kiambao. Yes, sir. Number 7. 11-8 ang score po natin yun, mga kababayan ko. 11-8 po ang score natin yun. Eli. Okay, Eli. Pinaganda.
Eli.
Ha? Sige. Bayran. Push to. Nice one. 24, 2 points. Oh, may Lakers motive sila. Escala. 29 for 3. Look. Take a foul call. Take 2.
Following by number 6, what a nice one by Boss Nestor.
Okay, number 7 shooting for 2.
First personal
free throws coming up. This free throws brought to you by, of course, Lomba Restaurant. Yan, ha. Coming soon. Babalik po sila at the new taste of Loming Barako in town. Lomba Restaurant. Yan, may import na daw pala. Import na daw pala si Mansueto, sabi dito.
Number 12 by China's number 7.
Number 7 again. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Po tayo. 12-10. Dalawa lang po. Eli. Mansueto. Eli again. Mansueto muli. Mansueto. Bongolo sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. Tablados tayo yun. Bulawan, Kiambao, nag-drive, Bulawan, fuse of pass, number 33, 30, pops up, no. Number 7, wala pa rin. 49, wala pa rin.
Following by number 6, second personal foul.
Dito pala. This free is brought to you by HB Kicks from Jordan Celebrons. HB is at the all for you. HB Kicks. Okay, HB Kicks, number 7, shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Okay, lamang na pumuli sa isang Austin. Second free throws, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 7, it's
Another drive.
wala. Nice one by Abdul. By Tumuko. Wait, baka naka-throttle yan. Throttle siya? Anong plan mo? Naka-throttle siya? Anong throttle data niya? Ha? Uy, sayang. Eli. Number 6. Walang pinasahan mo ba sa foul called? pag yung pag naka-throttle na, pag si Anli kasi may throttle yun eh, yung throttle data, yung pag na meron siyang GB, pag naubos yun, throttle na siya, malaka-naka na lang. Yung ibang plant kasi 1 Mbps eh. Yun, ako ni Bonggolo! Bonggolo! 2 points, Bonggolo! Okay, lamang na mulingan ang Spencer team. Ay, shit, ang Sphinx. DJ Gambao, 29. Number 30, Scala. Number 74, Pulawan, Dilapuna. Kasakuran, for 3. No! Nice one! Boy pa na bola, boy pa na bola. And Pulawan, 2 points Pulawan. The Golden Boy is 2 points sa'yo. Si Pulawan, the Golden Boy. Mansueto, power move. Ayaw. And now, 24. Si 24, pops up. Malakas. Ayun si Bonggolo. Nope, hindi nakuha. And 29. 2 points, 29. Number 29, 2 points. Again, 70-14. Lamang na mula tatlo ang Austin. First quarter pa lang po ito, pero napakainit na po. Napakainit na po ang action po ngayon dito. Eli driving in. To Munar. Bang! 3 points. Long two lang pala, okay. Let's go, long two lang pala, long two 7 race. It's a long two only, long two. 50 seconds remaining now. A minute 49 remaining. Ito na po si Eli na naman. Number 6 to Mansueto. Pops up. Wala. And pass to Bulawan. Si Bulawan nagmamadali. Bulawan. And complete made. Nice play by Bulawan. Brought to back Kapeng Barako. Ito ay available po yan sa The Market Mall in Mirkab area in Doha. Hotspot. Para bumagal, para bumilis. Mansueto, nope. Nice one sana. 1960 na score po natin yun. Eli to Mansueto. Mansueto, power move. 2 points Mansueto. 2 points Mansueto. Ayos. Gambao. Number 30. 24. Number 7. Walang foul, sabi ng referee. Ayun na, Ariona. Joel. Eli, Mansueto, power move. Ariona, wala, malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang tira para runners. Gambao naman, nagmamala si Gambao. Nice ang Bonggolo. Si Daisy, tumapak na sa linya, sabi ng referee. Ika nga sabi, same ball daw tayo, sabi ng referee. Tumapak sa linya kasi si Bonggolo. Bonggolo and now Kasigura for 3. Bang! 3 points. Ginawa ni Kasiguran. 22-18 na score po natin yun, mga kababayan ko. 22-18. Mansueto pops up. Nope. Kapos ang konti. One more time. Mansueto. Naiwan. Eli. Pinitin pa. Wala pa rin. Gambao. Scala. Well, pinasahan. Pinasahan si referee.
Mayroon ako rin ginawa si Hansen. Nakaptimunan niyo si Campo napapasahan ka. 10 seconds remaining.
Okay, ready na ba yung sa camera? Sige. Pagdapos sa ikat mo na, cut mo na. Bonggolo for 3 points made. And it's it, kalas. Ano? Cut mo tayo? What's up? Counterweight ko nga ito. Counterweight. Nakakiling kasi. Ayun, pantay siya. Pag gumagano siya. Counterweight ko na lang. Dami oh. Salamat po pala sa ating golfers po right now.
our sponsor.
Okay, the final day, PSP would like to thank final sponsors. Kaping Barako Restaurant, HB Kicks, and Ako Pas Qatar, Impress Advertising, PLBL, Gideon's Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Winas Apparel, JPX TV, AC Kitchen, Katasumay Sports Bar by Zira Niaga, MC Cargo, Janice Cometio, MC Cuisine, and McDonald's Qatar. Back to the ball game. Second quarter action na po tayo yun.
Wala pa naman Austin.
Austin Ball daw, Austin Ball. Bola po siya ng Austin.
Shoutout sa mga Batanggan yung manginagaling mo.
O yan, sabi na, salamat po, sabi ni Rendon. Mga Batanggan nyo, shoutout daw.
Shoutout lang sa mga manginagaling.
O sige. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo mga babae ko. Back to the ball game po tayo.
Bilang sa nilay ko.
Rendon. Okay, ito na, Escala. Gracia. Rendon naman, si Rendon. Number 23, pops up. Pasok sana. Okay, number 3.
Back to shoot. Sela.
Sela, Rendon, pass number 3. Wala pa rin. Ngayon, Siambani naman ang kumuha ng bola. To Algabre. Algabre! Kiniluwa sana. Wala pa rin. Hop! Si Daisy. Graciela. Pops number 3. No. Tuloy pa rin ang bola. Tuloy pa rin. Ito na. Ambani again. Ambani. Jason pass kay Algabre. Algabre. Foot race. Good ball tayo. Villanueva. Running shot. Pasok ang bola. Running shot po. Pasok ang bola. Change paper na po tayo yun. 22-23. 22-23 po tayo. Number 23 naman. Nagka-traffic konti-konti. Wala pa rin. Okay, ito na. Antaran mo rin yun. Si Algabre. Kinaluwa. Wala. Ayun si Dilion. Pasok. Woo! It's getting hot here. Grabe. Mainitan na rin po natin sa gabi ito. Thank you po. Sige po. Shout po dyan. Sabi dito ni Anes Basag at si Jorge. Baka sumukay ng pansit. Huwag naman ganyan sana. Okay. Number 23, number 25, and what? Cancel na lang.
Pag may tumawag po, cancel.
Sabi ko na kung sino tumawag.
Pag number.
Okay, that's a timeout po. Teka, may konting lang. Ano nga rin sir?
May kape pala kasi. Bago sa matatas dito.
Pasok si Jorge para Habana. Busog yan. Pati si Jorge, baka sumuko doon ng pansit. Sabi ni Anas Jason. Time out ba? Okay, back to the ball game po tayo yun. 22-20 po score po natin. Number 25, Rendon. Nagmamali si Rendon. Cloud, shot. Two points ang Bani. Hop! Two points Rendon. Hop, teka lang.
Okay, bali sa mag-score. Lang ha.
2 points Rendon.
Nakabala sa mention eh.
Hop! Teka lang, umipit na. Inipit na. Kita na rep. Inipit ng ano, ng pa. Bola. Okay, same ball pa rin tayo. Same ball pa rin. Hindi, slow connection lang. Natividad. Pero yun, power move, palpal ni Rendon. Good ball. Up. Foul ball by the referee. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. Sige, Rendon. Super Rendon. Algabre. Yan yun. Nako, nag-fumble. Good ball. Good ball. Garcia. Tugiano. Number 12. Power move. No look move. Wala. Algabre. De Leon. 2 points, De Leon. Rendon. Top number 3. Habana. Palpal. Traveling violations. Kapit ko.
Jumbo tayo. Iya ba jumbo? Yes, dito tayo. Okay, jumbo sa tayo. Sa pa rin.
Okay, ang Bani from Natividad. Marami kang program na nakabukas dito. Oh. Lost the ball. Jarike. Hounded by Natividad. Last touch in Natividad. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. It's same ball po. Same ball. Okay, number 3 to number 27, si Rendon, number 3, pops up for 3. Wala. Pero yun, Ambani, kinuha pa. Pasok ang bola kay Ambani. Okay, time out of gold.
Pasarin. Last.
Okay.
Last is Bigor.
Second 5 po tayo. Second 5. Ng second quarter. Okay, second 5 po tayo ng second quarter action.
Ready! Go guys! Pasarin lang yan! Hindi mo lang tayo mag-ready. Hindi pwede mag-ready si coach. Pasok na lang yung player.
Walang time po yan. Dilit-dilit na. Baka yung battery busted na. Baka lumobo na. Pwede pa rin yan. Bubuksan lang talaga siya. Built na siya.
Balik mo na sa Rendon. Completed players.
Makaibigan yata ito. Makikaibigan yata. Makikaibigan to. Lost the ball, Bongolo kay Mr. Eli, side step move. Pasok ang bola kay Eli.
Number 6.
Bravo. Nope. Okay, well guarded di Bongolo ang bola. pasok muli ang bola, kaya balik muli sa split ang bola. Pops number 3. Nope. Rabago, naka-rebound. And nakibulawan, number 7. 2 points, number 7. Eli, 28-33. Lamang na lamang pa rin po ang Sphinx. Joel, Eli, Mansueto, malakas. Ariona almost at the ball. Nakuha sana ni Mansueto pero hindi pa rin. 3-on-4 situation. Naku, sayang. Patira na yun eh. Patira na dapat yun eh. Eli. Mansueto, 2 points Mansueto. Okay, 3 minutes 21 remaining. Okoro, number 29, pops up, no. Wala naman tayo eh. And to Ariona. Nice one. Rabago, malakas ang pasa. And ayun na, wala na. Out of bounds. And time on the call by okay, Sphinx. This time is brought by McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Janes Gumetio, MC Cargo, Katasal Mrs. Sports by Ziranyada, MC Kitchen, JPEX TV, Winax Apparel, Cosmic Movement, Phoenix Barbershop, PNPL, Lombard Restaurant, and many, many, many more. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Ito na, Eli. 2 minutes 19 remaining. Eli pa rin. Eli against Bulawan. Number 41. Ito na, sino to? Si Bongolo. Bongolo. Uy, sayang. Ariona intercepted the ball. Bulawan guarding Ariona. Munar to Bongolo. Pops up. Nope. Bongolo. Bongolo. Power move. Bongolo. Wala. One more time. Bongolo. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan. Teka lang. Hindi nakita. Hindi nakita. Okay. Meeting referee. Helpful situation. Okay. Helpful situation. Bola po ng Sphinx. Austin Ball. Austin Ball. Austin Ball.
Kanina nagdapol sa Sphinx men sa kanila naman po.
Okay. Austin Ball. Austin Ball daw. Austin Ball. May tumatawag dito yung 6 something. Meron. Ito naman, 6649.
Kaya sa kanila naman. Yes, yes. Austin naman po.
Okay, Austin Ball, Austin Ball.
Sa yellow ball na naman tayo. Thank you.
Okay, Austin Ball po ha. As per head ball situation, Austin po ngayon ang kukuha ng bola. Okay, Austin Ball to Rabago. Rabago! Nope! And nakuha ni Eli Arizona! 2 points. 2 points, Munar. 2 points po si Mr. Munar. And si Mokoro may tangan ng bola. 55 remaining. Eli stole the ball. Still completed. Eto na! Ariona! 2 points, Ariona! Maganda pala to. Gumagano siya mag-isa. Yung camera nyo. May AI siya. This time is brought to you by the following sponsor, Trigas Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Ako Pasbuhan Qatar, Kapeng Baraka by Lombar and Lombar Restaurant, and also last but not least, HB Kicks from Jordan's to LeBron's. HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Ang sapatos ng bayan. Okay, 47 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. The score is 28-39, an 11-point lead being posted by Spinks basketball team. Okay, halftime po, magka-cut broadcast muna po tayo. Lilipat po tayo ng ibang camera po. Ibang camera po, mag-ano po tayo. Take note po sa ating mga fans po ngayon. Cut broadcast po tayo ha. Pasensya na po at ay lilipat po ng camera. Ika nga, lilipat po tayo ng bahay. Okay, eto na po ngayon si number 6. Number 6, Mokoro to Bulawan. And it's a foul call by Bongolo. First personal foul de Bongolo. Second team foul ng Spinks. Power move, number 15. Short stop, wala. Eli. Ariona. Palpal. Pero may foul. Take 2. And this free is brought to by Lombar Restaurant. The coming soon. Ang pagbabalik po ng ating pambansang Lombaran ng bayan. Ika, loming barako ng bayan. Pagbabalik po nila, abangan po yan. Bryant, nope. First shot, nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready, second throw.
22 seconds.
Okay, basket made.
22 seconds to go.
22 remaining. 20 seconds remaining. Number 16.
15 seconds.
Number 29. Okay. Backing violation. Backing violation po tayo. Balik po sa Spinks ang bola.
7 seconds to go.
Bola po ng Spinks. And nakuha ni Mansueto. Mansueto, 6 seconds remaining. Mansueto, nope. Op, si Daisy. And that's it. Okay, cut broadcast muna tayo mga kababayan ko. It's time po tayo sa next broadcast po ng PSBQ Basketball League. Thank you po. Thank you po. Kunting zoom lang. Hanggang yun lang.
Okay, ganyan tayo ha.
Okay, ganyan set.
Okay na yun.
Okay, eto na tayo. Third quarter action. Good afternoon, good evening, basketball fans. This is your third quarter action already. We're coming back again from a slightly technical situation. Naglipat lang kami kasi ng bahay. Okay, back to the booking ng tayo. Third quarter action pa tayo. Eli Villanueva, power move, wala. And eto na si number 30, wala pa rin. Number 30 minutes, si Daisy stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa Spinks ang bola. Spinks ball po tayo, Spinks ball. Eli. Eli muli. Ambani. Algabre. De Leon. De Leon, power move. Oy, si Daisy. May foul, tinawag si referee. Okay, ang Gabre, 3 points. Altral Gabre, 3-point made. Okay, 3-point made ang Gabre. Ito muli tayo yun. Number 30, pop number 3. No. Rebound ni Rendon. Rendon, number 29. No. Rebound pa rin ni Rendon. Number 4, power move ni Cambao, 2 points. Nice move ni Cambao. Pinower move niya, parang Red Bull. Sige po, eto na. Uy! Oh, offensive foul called. Number 6 called for offensive foul. Austin ball muli po tayo. The score is 30-43. A 13-point lead still been held by Spinks basketball team. Okay, Spinks. Escala. Last touch. Spinks ball muli tayo. Spinks ball. This game brought you by Kapeng Barako Restaurant. Kapeng Barako, Kapeng Barako Restaurant coming soon. The new face of Lombar in town. Lombar. And Kapeng Barako by Lombar. Algabre, 2 points. Algabre, 2 points. 30-45. At 8 minutes remaining of the third quarter action. Ito na po tayo mga boss. Escala. Pops up. No. Rendon, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Foul. It's a foul called. De Leon called for the foul. Rendon shooting for 2. This split is brought to by Coach Mike Movement. Master the moves of basketball. Care of Coach Mike Movement. Okay, ito na. Okay, Rendon, second throw po yan. Pasok. Basket made po ni Rendon. Okay, 32-45 ang score po natin. Ito na, number 6. Number 6, walang pinasahan. Rendon, side step move. 2 points Rendon. Okay, 11 point na ba kalamangan po ng Spinks. 4-0 run. De Leon. Foul called. Foul number 17. Foul number 17. 27 to Rendon to number 30. Walang pinasahan. Nakipagkamayan pa kasi. O, bawi lang. Ambani. Ambani 2. Kumansueto. Okay, touch last. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Mansueto. Wala. Okay. Okay, substitution should be made now. Rendon, labas muna. Spinks 1 for penalty. This free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor, 3 John's Barbershop. Yan ha. Available po yan in Mansura, in Alsat area. 3 John's Barbershop po yan. Okay, first shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. The only 100% owned barbershop po sa Qatar, 3 John's Barbershop. Second throw, pasok pa rin. 24-13. Ambani may tangan ng bola. Algabre to Ambani. Mansueto to Algabre. Algabre 3. Bang! City! Nice shot by Algabre. Buwang hasang-hasangin si Algabre ah. What a move by Cambao. Nag-side step, nag-cha-cha. Katindito na agad na red. Ambani. Bongolo. Bongolo. Shooting for 2. This free is brought to you by PLBL. Ang liga ng mga sikat dito sa Qatar. PLBL po yan. Diyan po yan sa Al-Sad area in Doha. Every Friday po yan. School number 1. Okay, first shot made. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Bongolo. Jumpers ready. Jumpers ready. Wala. Niluwa. Okay. Rendon. Ambani almost not the ball. Escala. Naipit. Okay, shooting for 2 sa Escala. Bongolo for a foul. This free is brought to by Imprenta Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprenta Advertising. First shot. Pasok. Okay, second throw. Jumpers ready. Okay, jumpers ready po. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok pareho. Okay, substitution being made now. Number 0 para kay number 29 ng Austin. Ng Austin. And number 13. Mansueto, 2 points. Nice shot by Mansueto. Okay, Cambao. Cambao to ay number 0. Nope. Nakuha ni Bongolo. Nakuha ni Cambao. 2 points Cambao. Okay, siyam na lang po kalamangan po ng Sphinx muli. Siyam na lang po kalamangan po nila ang Sphinx. Sir naman po sir, ang Sphinx sir. Siyam, 42-51. Bongolo for 3, nope. Okay, number 15. Baseball pass. Number 0, out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo. Balik pumuli po tayo. Ambani to Mansueto. Ambani. Ariona. Nice one. Sayang. Nice play by This free throws brought to you by Aqua Plus One Qatar. Available po yan in many flavor, many colors and sizes. Aqua Plus One Qatar. Ariona, first shot, hindi po pumasok. Second throw po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok, sana! What a block by Ariona kay Cambao. Nice D. First personal foul, warning for yes. Joel, Ambani. Bongolo. Pasok ang bola kay Bongolo. Pasok. It's pasok. foul number 15. Jambao. Check ng konti. Gado. 2 points Gado. Okay, don't look now. 7 na lang po ang kalamangan. 7 na lang po kalamangan po. 7 na lang po kalamangan. Sir, third quarter na po, sir. Third quarter. Algabre. Malakas. Nakuha niyo rin ng bola. Rendon. Gado, 2 points again. Time out called by Spinks. Okay. Very well to take the following sponsors. HB Kicks, Cafe Barako Restaurant, Lago Pasong Qatar, Imprint Advertising, PLBL, 3 John's Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Greenax Apparel, JPX TV, MC Kitchen, Attach Service Support yung Bimisi Ranyada, MC Cargo, Janos Comitiyo, MC Cuisine, and McDonald's Restaurant. Back to the ball game. Okay, don't look now. From 15 points down to 5 points na lang po ang Spinks. A 10-0 plus rally ng and one playmate kagad ang ginawa ni Ariona. Okay, eyes on our vlogs. All fans po, panoorin natin to. Everyone. Okay, Brian, kay Ariona. Wala. Natividad. Wala. Down, sa baba. Penalty situation, Austin. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, McDonald's Qatar and MC Cuisine. First shot in the pasok po. Okay, jumpers ready po tayo para kay Natividad. Okay, 48-56. 8 lang po ang kalamangan. Okay, Natividad. Second throw. Wow, pasok. Watching from Croatia, bossing. Okay, thank you sir. Ingat po kayo dyan, sir. Rendon, 2 points Rendon. 2 points Rendon. And Ambani to Ariona. Ambani muli. Mansueto. Okay. Algabre, binapatan number 0. Nako ng kick. Algabre. Kick pass to Ambani. Is a foul called. Penalty situation. This free throw is brought to you by Lombard Restaurant. Coming soon ang pabalik po ng pambansang lumihan ng Loming Barako ng Qatar, Lombard Restaurant. Okay, balik po tayo. Ambani, 7 lang po yan, sabi nila. Kaya tingnan natin. Pasok ang unang shot yung Ambani. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Ando po ito ng Janos Gumitiyo. Okay, Ambani. Papasok ba yan? Pumasok nga! Nice shot by Ambani. Rendon. Okay, ito na. Bulawan versus Natividad. Nakalusot. Side step made. Naipit na ng konti. Naipit ng konti. And, syempre, papasok yan. Foul number 20, Natividad. Free throws kami para kay Bulawan, the Golden Boy. Ando po ito ng MC Cargo, ang yung padalagin si Patsigrado. And Qatar Subliminal Sports by Mizi Ranyada. First shot, hindi pumasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Bulawan. Nope. Nakuha niyang banang bola. Ariona. Wala. Si Daisy. Sino po foul? Foul number 0. Both teams penalty situation. Substitution muna po si Ambani. Labas muna para kay number 6 kay Eli. Si Gado pala. Si Gado ang magtitira. Gado shooting for 2. Ando po ng Qatar Subliminal Sportswear and ANC Kitchen. Sama na po natin ang JPX TV. Okay, Gado, first shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo kay Gado. Second field throw. Second free throw. Kay Gado. Both basket made. Not made pala. Algabre. No. Rebound Rendon. Baseball pass. Campao. Lost the ball. Okay, number 0. Foul called. Algabre again called for the foul. This will be Binax Apparel and Coach Mike Pumet. Sama na po natin ang 3 John's Barbershop. Gado per shot made. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready na po tayo. And coming up next po ang ating second game, first championship match. Best of 3 series. Basketball action ng DJ Gana and Spencer basketball team. Again, 7 na naman ang Kalamangan. 7 na naman ang Kalamangan. Ito na po tayo. Ito na. Eli. Algabre. Wala. Pero may foul. It's a foul call to number 6. Okay. This is PLBL and Imprenta. Isama na po natin ang Aquafas 1 Qatar. Algabre. First shot. Pasok. It's pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo kay Algabre. Second throw po tayo. Pasok pareho. Okay, at 50 seconds remaining, a 9-point lead being posted by Spinks basketball team. Bulawan. Number 6. 2 points, number 6. Nice shot by number 6, ha? Eli. De Leon. Foul on number 6 again. Number 6 called for the foul. 18 seconds remaining. 2 points coming up para kay De Leon. Ando po yun ng Kapembraco by Lombar and HV Kicks. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo ng De Leon. Jumpers ready, 18 seconds to go. De Leon, pasok. Okay, 8 po kalamangan ng Sphinx, Bulawan, Gado, to Bulawan, Kiambao, bounded by Ilay. Number 0, touch last. Balik po muli sa Sphinx ang bola. 4 seconds remaining. Ilay, nagmamadali. No more. Okay, after 3 quarters. After 3 quarters. Okay, this final sponsor, HB Kicks, McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Janas Gumituyo, MC Cargo, Qatar Sublimation, MC Cuisine, JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, Trigans Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Aqua Flash Qatar, Kapeng Barako by Lombard, and HB Kicks. Ito pa yung legal masikat, PSBQ Basketball League. And also Lombard Restaurant, coming soon, the new face of Lombard in town. Eto na. Huha! Last touch steal ng Sphinx, 54-62, lamang palipo lamang. Eto na, Escala, running shot, wala. And to number 4, Kiambao, wala pa rin. Foul called. First game pa lang po to, sir. Dom-dom, first game pa lang to, sir. Second game po, DJ Giana versus Spencer. Championship po ito. De Leon, 2 points. Sir Dom-dom, meron pa tayong second game pa po, sir. Yung po yung championship po, game number 1. DJ Giana versus Spencer. Ilay. De Leon, power move. Pasok ang bola kay De Leon. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa. Algabre. No. Nice one by Escala. Escala 2 points. Wala ka sa pasa. (27) to number 30, Escala. Escala muli. Escala. Okay, now to number 29. Escala again. Escala pops up for 3. Pasok ang bola. Ito na. Pito. Ano? Palpal! Escala. Kiambao. Escala muli. Back-to-back field goal, Escala. sponsor. McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Janice Gumitio, MC Cuisine, Monica Cargo, Qatar Sublimation, MC Cuisine, GAPX TV, Buenas Apparel, Ghost Mike Movement, Trigans Barbershop, PLBL, and many more. Impress Advertising, Aquabus Kuang Qatar, Kapan Barako, and HB Kicks, and also Lombar Restaurant, the new face of Lombar in town, coming soon. Seven minutes 23 remaining. Lamang na po ng 5 ang Sphinx. Eli. Nope. Out of bounds. That could bring the house down. That could bring the house down. Iskala muli! Wala pa rin! Malakas! Jump out 2 points! And one play made! Nakabawi kagad si Batang De Leon. Free throws coming up. Courtesy po ng pang sponsor, MC Cuisine and Janice Gumitio. Number 6 for personal foul. Okay, De Leon bonus free throw coming up. De Leon bonus free throw. Pasok! Alin po ang kalamangan at 5 minutes 56 remaining ng 4th quarter action. Okay, eto na. Number 30. Number 30. Matagal pa yan. Matagal pa yan. Anything goes pa rin to. Anything goes. Skala. Number 39. No! Foul called. Ariona called for the foul. Rendon for the inbound. Okay, ayaw ni Rendon. Number 30, Escala for the inbound. Kiambao directing traffic to number 29. Jairus, wala. Pasok ang bola. Apat na lang yan. Apat na lang po yan. Apat na lang ang Bali. El Gabre. No. Escala. Escala, floater shot. Wala. Dako ng Bali bola. Ang Bali kick pass kay De Leon. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa. Grabe koy. Grabe koy, malakas ang pasa. Shoutout kay Galeni Galera. Kay Coach Stevie. Escala 29. Jairus. Wala. Rendon kay Kiambao. Wala pa rin. Yung pumasok. Now this game now is getting interesting. From 15 points biggest lead ng Spinks down to 2 points na lang. After 2 quarters. Ito na po si Ambani. Ambani, lost the ball. Same ball sana. Pero, touch na si Ambani. Substitution made daw. Okay, so Bonggolo, pinasok muna para kay Mansueto. Okay, Bonggolo kay Mansueto. Escala.
Scala naman natin, sitting of play. Nasa kanyang bola, Scala. Para sa Bayapane. Scala! Wala na sa tira. Tabigan niya yung malagibang.
Foul call! It's a foul called. Okay, Ariona to Ambani. First game pa lang to, sir. First game pa lang to. Pero patapos na, sir. 4th quarter na po ito eh. Tayo yung yung bata po. Baka mapasahan ng bola. Ha? Alala. Pasensya niya. Okay. Warning po penalty po ang Austin. Okay. Bonggolo for the inbound. Bonggolo para sa inbound. Bonggolo. Nagaan mamapasahan. Ambani. Ambani driving in. Ayun! 2 points Ambani! Ang galing ng Ambani tumatalaga ng butas. Grabe! Parang tubero. Okay, this time it was contributed by Janus Gumituyo, MC Gosin, Katot Sublimation, MC Kitchen, JPEX TV, Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, 3 Jones Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Waka Waswang Qatar, and Kapeng Barako Restaurant, and also HB Cakes and Lombard Restaurant, ang pagbabalik ng lumihan ng bayan. Antayin po natin yan, ang pagbabalik ng Lombard Restaurant. Okay, balik tayo ha. 67-71. A 4-point lead lang po yan. A precarious 4-point lead po. Being holded by Spinks. Ito na, si Escala muli. The typical play. Jairus, nawala, almost. Nice check. Counter steal. 2 points. It's a foul called. Okay, substitution na Bulawan. Papasok muna para kay Lino. Para kay number 6. Ambani shooting for 2. Mass basket made po. Kinakanam going to Ambani. Courted by HB Kicks. And Lombard. Kapeng Barako by Lombard. Cap bar naman tayo. Cap bar. May Lombard na. May cap bar pa. Saan ka pa? Ambani for shot made. Yes. May Lombard ka na. May cap bar ka pa. Ambani second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready ni Ambani. And it's pasok pareho. Lost the ball. Alcabre. Ariona. De Leon. Binomba pa. Wala. Rendon. Si Rendon. Rendon. And one play made. What a play by Rendon. Ako Waswang Qatar. Eto na po, Rendon for the bonus free throw. Rendon for the bonus free throw. Eto na po, bonus free throw ni Rendon. Pasok ang bola. Lama. Isa na lang. Sabi nila. Isa na lang. Algabre, binawi. Wala. And last touch. Di Bongolo. Rendon. Wala pinasahan. Oh, grabe. It's getting hot here. Grabe. It's getting hot in here. Nice shot sana ni Ambani. Nice hang time. Ambani shooting for 2. Courtesy of Imprenta Advertising. MPLBL. Sama nun po natin ang Trigans Barbershop. Ambani shooting for 2. First shot ni Ambani. Uy, sayang, wala. Now, ito, medyo interesado to yung laro ngayon ito. Grabe. Last 2 minutes, maging dalawa na lang kalamaman. Last 2 minutes, coming up, okay. Lamang ng dalawa na lang ang Sphinx. Si Bongolo, pinasok muna si Eli. Si Eli. Okay, last 2 minutes po, last 2 minutes. Guys, again! Okay, binawi ka agad De Leon. De Leon, binawi ka agad. Binawi ka agad De Leon. Foul ball! Okay, Bulawan will shoot for the 2. Handog po ito ng Coach Mike Movement. Sama na po ng Winas sa Parel. Don't get up, relax, you're wearing it. Winas sa Parel. Pasok ang bola. Tablados. Okay, tablados. Bulawan. Isa pa. Para kay Bulawan. Wala! Rebound! Ariona! Kupay sa Eli! Pinatungangan! Oh, it's a foul called, number 29. A minute and 14 remaining. Penalty situation po ang Austin basketball team. Ariona shooting for 2. Ando po ito ng JPX TV and ANC Kitchen. Ariona, first shot. Pasok! It's pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready ni Ariona. Ariona, jumpers ready. Second throw. Pasok pareho. Apat lang. Ito na naman. Escala for 3. No. Uy, good ball. Walang foul. Ambani. Traveling violation. A minute and 3 remaining. Apat pa rin kalamangan ng Sphinx. A minute and 3 remaining po, mga kababayan ko. A minute and 3 remaining. Eto na. Si Rendon. Nanakawan! 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 Ang Bunny. Nanakawan si Rendon! Siya nanakawan si Rendon! Siambao! 2 points, Siambao! Dalawa na naman! Dalawa na naman! Dalawa na naman! Dalawa na naman! Okay, dalawa lamang po. 47 seconds remaining. Eli. 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 Side step move. Okay, ayaw, ayaw. Eli. Foul! It's a foul called! It's a foul called sa Austin. It's a foul called on Austin. Number 29, 5 fouls, graduate. Okay, 14 minutes sportswear and MC Cargo. Okay, Eli shooting for 2. First shot. Wala sana, pero meron eh. Wala sana, pero meron eh. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Eli, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Uy! Go, short! Rendon, nagmamadali, Rendon. Check ball. Bang! Sige! Sphinx called for the timeout. Final 24 seconds ang larong ito. Idol. Final 24 seconds ang larong ito. What a game to end the game. And also parang appetizer po nito sa ating championship action. Mamaya po sa DJ Gianna and Spencer basketball team. First championship match. Okay, Austin will go for the back. Sphinx will go for the full court. Okay, that's 24 seconds. Eli. Ariona. Nagmamadali. Ariona. Palpal muli. Uy, nakuha! Okay, wala pa rin. Overtime! Okay, salamat po. Lombar Restaurant, Loming Barako. Coming soon po yan ha. Coming soon. Overtime po tayo. Overtime tayo. Okay, bola po ng Sphinx. They will need another 5 more minutes to settle the game. Okay, ito na. 5 minutes po. Masyado matagal yan. Okay, we're not going for extra time now. Extra time. Okay, ito na ang Bani. Bongolo. Ariona! No! Wala pa rin! Escala! 2 points, Escala! Wala pa rin! Okay, good evening po, good evening po. Bang! Sige! Three points made by Rendon. Ambani, 2 points. Ambani! Bongolo, 2 points. Minutes 27 remaining. 3 minutes 23 remaining. Escala. Rendon muli. Wala. Same ball. Okay, De Leon muna para kay Villanueva. Shoutout po sa ating 44 viewers po ngayon na nanonood. This is now the capacity crowd being building up. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na. Escala. Pasok! Points. Apat lang yan. Oh! Foul call! Okay. Ginebret, 2 shots awarded. Okay, first shot. Out. This spread is brought to you by the following sponsor. Siyempre, sampo natin ng dyan ang McDonald's Qatar and MC Cuisine. Okay, 5. Natividad para yung Bongolo. Uy, wala! And 1 play made! Sige, malayo po yan. Everybody's game pa rin yan. Yes sir, everybody's ball game pa rin tayo. Everybody's ball game. De Leon shooting for the bonus free throw. De Leon shooting for the bonus free throw. Eto na po, De Leon. De Leon, shot made. Wala! Rebound rin doon. 90-87. This that we will brought by ANC Cuisine. Quality pang pagana si hapat kainan ANC Cuisine. Rendon to Kiambao against Algabre. Number 6. Okay, that's it. Basket not made, out of bounds. 90-87. Okay, Natividad. And Ambani. Natividad. Natividad. Lost the ball! Oh, it's a foul call. Penalty situation. Take two si Mr. Rendon. Janos Gumitio, this free to Janos Gumitio and MC Cargo. And also sama na po natin ang Qatar Sublimation. Okay, Rendon. Shooting for the bonus for free throw. First shot made. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Rendon, pasok pa rin. Laman po na 5 ngayon ang Austin basketball team. Ambani. Malakas! Mansueto! Malakas pa rin! Lamang na lamang kanina ang ano. Hinapon lang. Okay, 1 minute and 1 remaining. If Spinks want to win this game, they have to do something fast, or else Austin will bag the win. Eto na po, 7-point lead ang kalamangan ng Austin. Ariona muli. Pambani, Algabre for 3. Must win 3. Wala. Pambani naman. Wala pa rin. Okay, that's it. Rendon, 35 remaining. Okay. 10 seconds remaining. Wala pa talaga. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Safety. Okay, congratulations. Nice game. Overtime win. Austin. Final score, 94-87. Ito po yung liga na masikat. And now, final say po, Lomba Restaurant. Yan po, coming soon. The new face muli ng Lomba in town. At ito po yung liga na masikat. Bago tayo magtapos. Ito po ang liga na masikat. PSBQ Basketball League. And standby po tayo. Sengay po natin. First championship match po between DJ Giana and Spencer Basketball Team. Maraming salamat po and see you po. Bunking or shot flag po si Sir Jairus. Sir Jairus, yung defensive po yata naging susi po kanina sa inyong pagkapanalo. Tama po ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Papangisa na nagawa na huli sa wakas po yung panalo, sir?
Bale, ano lang, tawag doon.
Oh, late na yung pagkakaano nyo eh, pagkakarali nyo talaga.
Depensa lang yung ano namin, buhuna namin.
Depensa po na nyo.
Ayun, nakuha namin, salamat, thanks God. Nakuha namin.
Okay, Sir Jairus, ano po ang makasama po sa inyo and yung Austin team po and the following games pa po ninyo? O, sumama ka na, gusto sumama, ayan o.
Ito.
O, yan. O, yan. Sige, Sir.
Practice pa, more practice, and then chemistry.
Chemistry pa rin
Yeah,
talaga,
chemistry,
okay.
chemistry. Kulang kami sa chemistry.
Okay, Sir, okay. 30 seconds to 1 minute, shoutout, mga kaibigan po dyan, mga kasama,
Shoutout.
asawa, anak, lahat, sige.
Shoutout sa manager ko sa Milano.
Okay,
Thank you so much, Rima Ramirez. Thank you so much.
yun lang.
Yeah, ayun lang.
Wala kang loved ones, wala kang supporter.
Sa Pinas.
Yan, tama yun.
Mindanao, Brad, Mindanao.
Okay, good, okay. Congratulations po for winning the game po, and ikaw po yata nag-spark po ng rally po ng Austin na team kanina. Sir, any word po, sir? Paano nyo sila nahabol sa wakas?
Una kasi hindi kami gano'ng
Lakas.
nagkakapaan lang kami nung una kasi hindi pa kami gano'ng magkakasama. Parang first time lang namin magkakasama na team. Kaya nung nakuha namin yung tempo,
Yung rhythm nyo?
yung rhythm yun na.
Late ako, rate yung rhythm nyo talaga. Okay, ngayon, ano sir, maasahan pa rin sa Austin team sa susunod na laro po?
So, makikita nyo naman, hindi pa nag-click pero nakuha namin yung panalo. What if pa po, nagkaroon kami ng chemistry na malapit.
Okay,
So, yun.
blending pa ng team nyo, blending pa. Okay, sir, 1 minute, shoutout, sige.
Shoutout sa girlfriend ko sa Pinas.
Okay.
Mag-ilaw sa Pinas, Papa. Kuya, kayo dyan palagi.
Okay, thank you po, Sir Austin.